Okay, so we're going to factor the expression x squared plus 6x plus 5. And we begin by drawing two parentheses, just like this, side to side. And we mark in an x just inside the left-hand side of each parenthesis. Now what we want to do is we want to write out the factors of the last number. Okay, so we're going to look for the factors of 5. Now, in this case, it's going to be pretty straightforward because 5 only has the factors 1 times 5. In the next step, we're going to pick a pair of factors that adds up, because this was a plus, okay, because this one is a plus. That means we want our factors to add, and we want them to add to get 6. Okay, well, since these are the only factors we have, we just have to make sure that these do add to 6. 1 plus 5 would be 6, so those are the correct factors, and we're going to put them in. I'm going to put them in here. Now, it doesn't really matter where you put the bigger number or the small number. That doesn't matter, but in the previous example we put the big number first, so we can do that, and we'll probably do that the whole way through, but it doesn't actually matter. Now, the next thing that we look at is the first sign, the middle sign in the problem, and a plus. That sign, that middle sign, always goes in front of the bigger number. Okay, so that always is associated with the big number. So the big number was 5. We had a 5 and a 1. The big number was 5, so put a plus, because there was a plus here. Put that in front of the big number. Now, finally, the last thing that we have to look at is what the last sign is. The last sign in the question is a plus, and what that tells you is that you're going to use the same sign in each parenthesis. Okay, same sign in each parenthesis. You've already chosen the parentheses for the first sign. Now, a plus in that position tells you that you use the same sign again, so it's going to be another plus, and those are your factors. Okay, so the factors here are x plus 5 times x plus 1. Okay, those are the factors, and that's what we had to do. Okay, now I don't want to confuse you. The next bit is just checking, but I don't want to confuse you. This is the answer that we're looking for. Now, if we do check, x plus 5 times x plus 1, and if we use FOIL on that, it's going to be x by x. The outside is going to be x times plus 1. The inside is going to be plus 5 times x. And the last position is going to be plus 5 times plus 1. So we have x squared plus 1x plus 5x plus 5. Remember, multiply here. Even though you have all the pluses might tempt you into adding, but this is really multiplication because of the parentheses. We have like terms here and here. So that's x squared plus 1x plus 5x is plus 6x plus 5. And that should be the same as the original expression in the question, which it is, and therefore we know that these are the correct factors. So this is what we're interested in. This was just a check-in piece at the end. This is what we're interested in. Okay, so that's what we're after. Okay, thank you for watching.